Good morning to you all beautiful people. Good morning to you all, or should I say afternoon, because it is actually the afternoon. And I'm doing this vlog I was just cooking dinner and I've just literally turned off the cooking. And my soul said to me, do a vlog quickly on love. So here we go. So it was my birthday yesterday, my Earth Day, and I had a really beautiful, blessed day. I had friends drop me off some beautiful presents. With all this distancing, social distancing, it's been hard, difficult at times for all of us, for the whole of the nation, for the whole of the world, no doubt, as we've not been able to embrace and spend time with our loved ones and nurture and love them in ways that maybe we normally would. We've all had to adapt of late. But I just wanted to share a little of my day yesterday. So I saw my daughter, she came over, and I haven't seen her for 8 weeks, literally, and she's pregnant, 5 months pregnant. So seeing her yesterday was beautiful because she had a belly with her yesterday, which wasn't there, 2 months ago. So that was a nice surprise for me to be able to see my daughter in blooming, and it was a really wonderful day. And I just wanted to speak a little bit about love and what that means for each and every one of us, because I feel that when we think about love, we immediately sort of externalize that thought. Love, what does that mean? Oh, I love you, we're in love with someone, we love doing this, we love this. But what it shows me, for me, is that love has many facets to it and many layers, like everything in life, I suppose. And the last few weeks have been tough. I've had a tough few weeks, put it this way, mentally. There's been a lot going on for me. Lots of stuff working its way through, which happens at times in our lives. We have different periods of our lives where, stuff kind of gets regurgitated. We may find that, things come up from our past, our present. We don't really know, attaching it onto this, attach it to that. Things appear sometimes in our psyche that brings our attention to it, that needs to be looked at. And so, yeah, it was a tough few weeks I've had going on. But as I say, tough, when I say tough, it's tough in its own way. But really, when you're living your life to be the best version of you each day, it means to me, what that means to me is that you're always sifting through your life each day. It's like a gardener, let me see, so in the autumn, fall, when the leaves fall on the ground and you see the guys sweeping up on the road outside, and they're there each day sweeping away the leaves, and again the next day the leaves have returned and there they are again sweeping away the leaves. Well, that sort of analogy kind of makes me feel like how I work with my head at times. When I see these guys, doing their work, bless them. So that's kind of how it works for me mentally. I sift through daily. So when we're constantly in motion with our emotions and looking at how we behave to ourselves and onto others and our loved ones, we should always find ourselves in those states of being where we're sifting through, looking at our actions, our behaviours, and always seeing room for improvement in ourselves, never the others, in ourselves. I believe there's always room for improvement in ourselves each day. So that's where I was the last few weeks. So yesterday came in, being my birthday. Wow, I was just blown away by the amount of love The amount of love, it was like a surge of love came in yesterday and powered me up. Oof, powered me up. All this love came in, you know, friends, family, all Facebook. Thank you guys for all your love. I mean, you know, the messages that I got, I really needed it at this time, and this is what this vlog is about, to be honest. Yes, I'm going to say I needed that yesterday. I needed, yeah, needy. But yes, I needed to feel that yesterday. My soul just absorbed all that love. It was like a sponge. It absorbed all that love that I was, that everyone was giving out to me yesterday. And I filled myself up with all this love till thy cup runneth over. And it was just so beautiful. And I just wanted to speak about it quickly today. Very random this is, but I just wanted to speak about the power of love. The power of love and what that does for anyone when you're touched with love. It's beautiful because I've woken up this morning and I feel light. I feel as if everything that I was holding on to for the last few weeks has all dissipated. It's all dissipated back into the nothingness that it came from, like vapor, like steam. Poof, it's all gone. And the only reason why this has occurred is because of the day I had yesterday, because I was filled with love. And that's the message, the power of love. Love will eradicate everything and anything, mentally, physically, psychologically, spiritually, emotionally. Love shall conquer all, and love does conquer all. To me, wow, such a powerful emotion, such a powerful emotion. And I felt totally engulfed in a ball of love yesterday, and I just needed to share that with everyone today, that love is such a free emotion. And when we understand that love fundamentally is what we all are, and operate from that premise of just being love. Again, you don't need or try or force to be anything in your life that you're not. But we are all love at the core of this. Take away our personalities, take away our characteristics, take away our opinions, take away our statuses, take away our genders, take away our, you know, segregation, our religions. Strip them all down, and what we come to at the basis of this all, fundamentally at the bottom, I believe we are all that, which is love. So coming back to that, love shall conquer all. Love being the highest vibration. Love always brings the happiest of emotions out in all of us. Love, love, love. I'm just sharing this today because, as you can see, I'm full of love. I'm full of love. I'm excited. And my niece had a baby boy at some time this morning, early hours. So I'm a great grandma. Not grandma. I'm a great auntie. I'm a great auntie again. And I feel so blessed. As I said, it's just been an amazing weekend full of love. Love will conquer everything. Love has the power to eliminate. Love has the power to transform. And yeah, I just as I said, I'm just sharing today that I had an amazing weekend and an amazing birthday filled with more love than I could ever have imagined. And it was just so beautiful because, as I said, I'm normally away for my birthday and I spent it in London yesterday, and it made me realize that actually as much as it's lovely going on holiday for my birthday and being by the beach, I actually get, I don't get all that love. So thank you all. I mean that from my heart. Thank you all, guys, for the beautiful love vibrations that you all sent me yesterday, and I'm still feeling them. And there's a real surge of love going through my home at the moment, going through my cellular cells in my body. My heart is filled with love today, and I'm sharing that and sending that all back to you, all of you, sending all these love vibrations back. Thank you, guys. I'm going to leave it here, 11 minutes. Bit of a random one today, but the core message is love, 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 love. We're back to love. Love is all we need. I love you guys. Have the most beautifulest of Sundays. It looks like it's about to rain over here in North London, but that's all good. Any excuse for me to get my furry blanket out, do a little roast dinner, get on the settee. Today, I'm actually going to watch a movie. Woo! Have a lovely weekend. I love you all, and I'll see you, if not tomorrow, Tuesday. Don't know what it will be about, but we'll know when we're there. God bless.